how to turn off read receipts on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. If you want to keep your message reading habits private, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Messages app. I'm going to tap on Conversation with Someone here. As you can see, it shows that I have read the message. This is what read receipts look like. If you'd rather not have people know when you have read their text, let's turn that off. Head over to your Settings app, scroll down until you find Messages and tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit more and you will see the option for Send Read Receipts. When this is turned on, people are notified when you have read their messages. So all you have to do is toggle it off, and just like that, you are all set. Now, no one will know exactly when you have read their messages, giving you the freedom to respond at your own pace. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.